Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Nubia Z60 Ultra is all set to go official on December 19th. In the build-up to the launch, the ZTE-owned brand is teasing the design and specifications of the handset via Weibo. The Nubia Z60 Ultra is seen with a flat front panel. It is confirmed to sport a triple camera setup led by 50-megapixel primary camera. The company has also posted a promotional video comparing the Nubia Z60 Ultra's display with Apple's iPhone 15 Pro. The Nubia Z60 Ultra is tipped to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and could be backed by a 6,000 mAh battery. Has offered a glimpse at the design and key specifications of the Nubia Z60 Ultra. The official renders show at least 3 colorways for the handset. It is seen with a flat display with minimal bezels. The phone is teased to boast a 5th generation full-screen under-display camera on the front. The BOE-Q9 Plus display supports 2160Hz PWM dimming and 400 ppi pixel density. The Nubia Z60 Ultra will feature triple rear camera unit, comprising a 50-megapixel primary lens with an 18mm focal length, a 50-megapixel secondary sensor with a 35mm focal length, and a 64-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with an 85mm focal length. All 3 camera sensors are confirmed to have support for optical image stabilization. Nubia has used an unconventional shape for the camera array. The primary camera sensor has a red circle while the periscope telephoto sensor is seen arranged in a rectangular bump on the right side. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.